Hello, I'm Dave Zwicker with MSPexcellence, and I have a short presentation to give you to describe what we believe is a significant business opportunity for the Google Apps Reseller. It's about becoming a cloud solutions provider based on Google Apps for Business as your foundation. And so we'll start with describing what we mean by a cloud solutions provider. We believe the CSP model is the new delivery model for IT services that's taking hold in the marketplace, and we believe that Google Apps resellers can be on the forefront of this transformation. It's going to mirror a transformation that many of us are already familiar with, which is the migration from the VAR model to the MSP model, where managed service providers came into small and mid-sized businesses and basically remotely monitored and managed all of their IT that was located on premise with servers and desktops and individual software licenses for all of their users. And that provided value to the customer by saving them on their operational expenses. Now in the era of the cloud, CSPs are positioned to deliver even more value by removing the capital expenses associated with on-premise computing and delivering much more efficient and flexible cloud services. And in order to do that, they need to deliver cloud services that are integrated into a solutions model that deliver value to the customer. And so we have developed what we call a cloud solutions ecosystem, where there are solution suites that map to the major trends in cloud computing. And we've modeled how you can assemble your own ecosystem to build your own differentiated value as a cloud solutions provider by starting with Google Apps as your collaboration and messaging foundation, and adding more cloud solutions to build value and, of course, increase your non-recurring and your recurring revenue. And what we mean by maximizing business value is brought home in a big way by looking at this chart. The chart simply shows what your business will look like as you accumulate users who are employed by your customers, and comparing the value of a strict basic licensing resale business valued at $50 per user per year at a 20% gross margin or revenue sharing rate, with a very different model that's modeled after the managed service provider recurring revenue approach of charging X dollars per user per month. And we believe we can get you to $50 per user per month by assembling your own cloud solutions ecosystem and wrapping your own professional and managed services around Google Apps and other complementary applications. Tremendous increase in the value of your business, as the same accumulation of users over time will increase your revenues by more than tenfold and will increase your margins by 100%. And so here to show you some real numbers, 5,000 users grows to over $1 million in gross margin dollars at a 40% gross margin level versus a $50 per user per year model at 20% margin. So this, for the Google Apps reseller, is a real business, and for the customer, this is a real solution because you become their one-stop shop for cloud solutions. We help you do this with something we call the Google CSP Playbook. And the Playbook follows a life cycle model where we give you 4 master blueprints that take you through the very beginning steps of identifying your go-to-market plan with something we call the go-to-market blueprint. It identifies your core competencies and helps you understand how to best build your cloud solutions ecosystem. Then the next blueprint takes you through how to assemble them into a properly priced and packaged service portfolio that maximizes the revenue and margin value of what you're going to bring to market. The third blueprint helps you establish, enable, and execute a highly efficient sales process for selling your cloud solutions. And then finally, the fourth blueprint helps you to measure and manage a recurring revenue business with key performance metrics. And so when we talk about a cloud solutions blueprint or any of our blueprints, we're really talking about just add water templates. What we mean by that is, in many cases, these are spreadsheets, sometimes documents, sometimes presentations that walk you through step by step how you fill in the blanks and assemble your cloud solutions. In this case, we're showing you a visual of how the cloud solutions ecosystem I just presented becomes a properly priced and packaged service portfolio where we give you all the fill in the blanks modeling tools for you to set your prices, establish your cost of service delivery, and see your gross margin impact immediately. All of these blueprint-oriented tools we combine with expertise so that you know how to use them. And we've developed a very innovative way to do that, something we call the virtual peer group. So with our playbook will also be a program where we will facilitate virtual meetings between you as our reseller client and your peers who are other Google Apps resellers, and together we'll explore the best practices for business strategy, for pricing and packaging, for sales and marketing techniques, and for maximizing the value of a cloud solutions business. If this sounds interesting to you, then give us a call, visit our website, send us an email. We'd be glad to take you through this in more detail. There also are some more instructional videos that go into some more depth on each of the blueprints that we've described in our playbook.